good morning, traders, and welcome to another live trading session with me, your host, Francois. I am one of the market analysts here at HFM, and today we are going to check what is going on within the markets during this week, what is going to affect the markets, plus we are going to see what potential trades we can identify on EURUSD, gold, and NASDAQ. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So during this week, all eyes will be on the non-farm payroll report. So that is August job report that will be released on Friday as the Federal Reserve gears up for its first rate cut this year. Now, during that actual rate cut, we are expected to see a 25 basis point cut at the September 17 and 18 meeting. We have also seen recently that Federal Chair Jerome Powell has indicated that it is time to start reducing interest rates. Now, why is this specific labor report on Friday so extremely important? Well, if there are any signs that the labor market is weakening, this could reignite recession fears, adding to market volatility. Now, we will also see during the remainder of the week, there will be additional reports that will be released to keep us updated on the labor market health. Starting on Wednesday, we will see the release of the job openings report that is down here. And then we will also see the release of the ADP private sector hiring on Thursday. Always please remember for me with the ADP report, it's one of those few reports that are very different than everyone else. It doesn't get released at 2:30, it gets released at 2:15. And as always, we will also have the weekly jobless claims report. Each one of these obviously affecting the market in a different way. But we did speak a little bit about recession fears just now if we see additional weakness within the labor market this week. Now, last week, our trade on gold played out absolutely perfectly. We said we were eyeing this 123% Fibonacci extension level, which we hit perfect. And we basically now trading in a more range-bound range between that support level that we also indicated last week, which is here at 2,480, and that resistance level at 2,528. Now, during the week, if we basically remain within this range, I am going to continue that range-bound trading. So at the moment, I'm waiting for a bit of a rejection here at 2,485. If we get that rejection, we can look at that buy higher up back to that 2,528. But now we also have to take into consideration that if we do get that lower or weakness within the labor market during this week, we could see an extended rally within gold, and then we could be eyeing these $2,608 an ounce levels. Moving over to stocks. So last week, US stocks ended on a high note with the Dow making a second consecutive all-time high amid hopes of imminent Fed rate cuts. We also saw our trade on NASDAQ play out absolutely perfectly. So we were looking for that bullish momentum, as last week we discussed that all our EMAs turned bullish on the 1 hour time frame. So that was down here. Just getting that rewind. Just let me switch that off. There we go. And we had that nice bullish momentum throughout the remainder of the week. Now, during this week, we are going to have a look. Now, you can see we are just trading on this support zone at the moment. And if we can get a break above this, let's go with 19,640. We could see this rally extend once more, aiming for this resistance level at 20,000. Now, similar to NASDAQ, our NASDAQ stock exchange, so our NASDAQ 100 is also very susceptible to interest rate changes, and will also benefit from lower interest rates. So again, if we do start seeing interest rate cuts, this could possibly, potentially positively affect NASDAQ, and we could see some nice big rallies on NASDAQ in the very near future. Just as an additional word of caution, September and October are historically volatile months for stocks. So if we do experience any surprises in data, this could cause fresh market shocks. Last but not least, let's quickly have a look at EURUSD. So here we can see EURUSD broke out of that channel that we were talking about last week. We broke that support level, which is now resistance, and we saw a nice big sell-off all the way down to our 38.2% Fibonacci level. Now, initially, what I am aiming for at this point in stage, I'm looking for a nice bullish run up to this 23.6 Fibonacci level, which is at 1.11 flat. And then we could see some pullbacks, maybe coming back down to retest the 38 or even the 50 Fibonacci level, which is sitting at 1.099. And we could see EURUSD coming back up to test these high points at 1.12. And then traders, that is it from me for today's live trading session. I do hope that you found this session beneficial, and as always, happy trading, and I'll see you again next time.